square, and there is a mistake here. This is nothing but y is equal to mod of 2 minus x square. This question is y equal to mod of 2 minus x square. Let us draw the graph of it. Y equal to x square graph. This is y equal to x square graph. And y equal to x square graph. Next, y is equal to mod of 2 minus x square can also be written as x square minus 2. So graph look like this. And it goes like this. There's a graph. And this point of intersection is 1. And this is root 2. And this point will give you y is equal to 2. This is equal to y equal to 2. So this is 1 and this is root 2. And this point is equal to 2. So what we require is y is equal to 1 line. So we require this shaded area. And we require this shaded area. This is shaded area. What is required? So this is the total shaded area from 1 to root 2 and root 2. So how we integrate it? Integral 1 to root 2. This is the upper graph. Upper graph is x square minus times of minus plus x square minus 2 dx. Why so? This is equal to x square minus 2 whenever x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is greater than equal to 0. It means x is greater than equal to root 2 and x is less than equal to minus root 2. But this is equal to minus times of x square minus 2 whenever x lies between minus root 2 to plus root 2. So this is x square plus integral from root 2 to 2. This is y is equal to 2 line. This is y is equal to 2 line. 2 minus this graph will be x square minus 2 dx. So what we get it here is 1 to root 2. 2x square means 2x cube by 3 minus 2x plus this will give you root 2 to 2. This is nothing but 4x minus x cube by 3. Let us substitute the value. 2 root 2 will give you 4 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2 plus lower limit. Lower limit will give you minus 2 by 3 minus plus 2. This again upper limit. This will give you 8 minus 8 by 3 minus times. Lower limit will give you 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2 by 3. So careful calculation. This will give you minus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 is 4 by 3. This will give you 8 3 is 24. 24 means 16 by 3. Next minus 4 root 2. This will be minus 4 root 2 minus plus 2 root 2 by 3. So plus 2 root 2 3 pi minus 2 root 3 pi will cancel. This will give you 20 by 3 minus 4 root 2. This can also be written as 4 by 3 common. We get 5 minus, this is 5 is left, 5 minus 3 root 2 square units. That's an answer. This is y is equal to 2 line. And this is the graph. This graph is x square graph. This graph is 2 minus x square. And this graph is x square minus